Good morning, North Raleigh Seed Library. Yes, I'm back in the garden in my jammies. Don't care about the hair, don't care about the makeup, but I do care to show you something wonderful that happened in the garden. So whenever it comes time for Friday to roll around, and Adrienne, as you asked for it, a column comes up on our Facebook page, you have to ask for companion plants, because I wasn't sure. You know, you see a lot of stuff on the internet and who knows, and you talk to people and everybody has different experiences. Well, my experience is I think it's working. I have to show you. I had all these companion plants planted, and I am just so excited because this morning I came out to trim up the roses, right? Deadhead them and all that, and you're not going to believe it. All of a sudden, I found one of the companion plants chewed all to heck, and you know what? That is what I was hoping for. My roses have a chance. So I also, I was driving down 98 the other day, and somebody had told me that you take roses and you plant them at the end of the grapevines. And what that does is it attracts the pollinators, and it also gets all the bugs to jump on that instead of grapevines. So this companion plant thing, it's working out. So let me just show you real fast. Hang tight, I'm gonna flip the camera. Okay, check it out. Roses are doing great, right? I'm on here deadheading. And check this out. It is eaten all up, but not a bite on my roses. Well, that's not true. Is that a bite or a tear? There, not sure. But it's doing its job. I'm so excited. And so I know, no lectures. I've got mint planted in here, and I've got lavender planted in here, and I've got, I can't think of the name, but Margaret gave it to me, and that's a companion plant. Here's my mint, here's my lavender, and then I bought some, what the heck is the name of it? It's these scented geraniums, and they are supposed to draw all of the bad bugs over there and away from the roses. So anyway, it's a good morning, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to Lysol your pruners. It's the thing that's going to keep all of your plants disease-free when you're chopping. Oh, and remember the thing, hang on, I'm going to flip you around. And remember the thing about bypass pruners. There's two different kinds of pruners. I just learned this winter. There is the regular pruners, right, that everybody gets, and they're the little, I don't know, the little cheapies. And then there's bypass pruners, and you use that for your roses and cutting your stems. The regular pruners, you use that for, like, you know, if you're cutting off a hydrangea branch, if you're doing something heavier, cutting off a heavier limb, but you don't want to use your bypass pruners. They're a little more expensive and they'll ruin them. Those are more for like deadheading plants. So anyway, tips for the morning. Have a wonderful day today. Come by the seed library, and I think my next video is I've got a bare spot, believe it or not, in my yard, and I think I'm going to take a walk up there and show you me trading a plant to take a plant. Oh, and I got a sign made. I'll put it up. Have a great day, everybody.